and another freaking pen, but this one's blue. The other one was gray. I hope it works. Anyways, this is a liquid concealer. This is good for my eyeshadow base, or because looks way too light for my face. Let's see if it works because it kind of looks thick. Anyways, okay, and another blue pen that I need. Oh, and dry shampoo. I need dry shampoo because my hair gets oily really fast, and so let's hope this works. People say that it worked for them. Okay, this came in a little baggie. It's illuminating primer. This was like in the bestsellers too. Everybody liked this one, so I hope it makes me look glowy because I have dry skin and it looks like bad. Okay, and the next thing is eyeliner. I already run out of eyeliner real quick. I really need to use eyeliner. Like with everything, you can go wrong with a lot of eyeliners. And then a liquid lipstick is this pretty pink shade. Everything that I got, it was usually sold out. I got like the ugly colors. Everything was gone. I was like, I wanted certain colors, but they were not there. I was like, oh well, maybe next time. But yeah, and this one everybody loves too. It's waterproof eye makeup seal. Supposedly you mix it with your shadow and then it creates eyeliner, stuff like that. I don't know. I was like, it'll be fun to try because I love eyeliner. Anyways, I don't know what this is. Let me open it. Oh, it's just a pressed highlighter. Whoa, it looks white. It doesn't look like a highlighter. Okay, and of course I needed a pink pen, so yeah, that's that. And then I wanted to try their banana powder. It's really small. I thought it was gonna be big, but well, I think this is too dark for me. We'll see how it looks because yeah, now they're mini palette. They remind me of the elf ones, and I just love this color. I just had to look. This is the elf and this is the Shopmissa, and also reminds me of the color palette, but this one's bigger. But yeah, I thought I could do like a dupe maybe. Couldn't find a color like this, so we'll see. Okay, and another eyeshadow palette, but this one's like for fall, like every day. When it looks like this, the packaging is pink and the cat, and it says the charity edition. This with whatever you buy or spend with this, you help the animals, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, also with the mirror, I can't remember what else, but not everything in their website. So yeah, that's interesting if y'all want to help out. And this one, I was excited because it's like I don't know how to call it. It's for makeup tray, or with where you want to mix like foundation, concealer, lipstick, and you don't want to use your hand, because I use my hand all the time. So I was like, let me use this instead. So it's like a steel, it's hard, so I really needed this, so that's cool. And what is this? Is a brow soap. I was very intrigued to try this because I don't know when this trend came out, a long time ago, but I'm really gonna try it out. So let's see if it works for my brows, because they're very small and thin. So okay, the next thing I got is a bronzer powder, and it's very light. Excuse me, I don't think this is my color. This is way too light, but I'll probably still use it. And this is a face stamp. Is to make cards and cool beside for your makeup. So I wanted to start, but they were all sold out. I was like, no. But and then this is a pretty pink blush. Wow, it's so small. I thought it was gonna be big. But next I got is a BB cream, because they ran out of foundation. They ran out of everything. So I hope this is my color, because it looks light. And I think that's it. So yeah, that's it. I'll end it here. Thank you for watching. Bye. Tell me what's your favorite thing I got. Okay, bye.